right? So it's 6 minutes.
5. Oh,
6.
hang on. We need to go north, don't we?
See how it was right. North.
North is north.
Here's my train ticket from yesterday.
To get in. Good
This
dark.
is good, you just tap everywhere you go. It's just amazing.
Good on it.
It is, it's very good. Do I tap again?
No.
Oh, I like the tap fiasco.
Oh wow, look at that.
Look at that. Good museum on the way down.
That's cool. Obviously all the artifacts they found when they were digging this place up, no doubt. Look at this in London Underground here. This looks like the station I was at Jet when I went down before. Yeah, it's very like it. Yeah, we need north. Look on the wall. Crocodile bottle. Another there. Ooh. See?
Maar misschien moeten we dan wel. Ja, maar
Look at the gap between the train and the platform as well. Like, it's hardly anything.
No.
Very good.
soms die 7 uur denk ik dan.
Stay to the right because people want to. Sometimes it will pass you. Look out. This one. I recognise the mirrored roof.
What?
I recognise the mirrored roof.
Someone else.
You like that, don't you?
I do, yeah. It's just like, whoop, there you go. There's a ticket system to go do and wait for your ticket to be printed.
Nope.
Just push, bash, push, gone. Just like that.
And then we're at Centraal, I think it's called now, isn't it?
Ah, back here. Okay.
Here we got Yeah. We bang out left. Oh. Albert Heijn. Drink. Yeah, it's one or the other, wasn't it? What was that?
I stood on that. What the fuck up the right foot? Jesus Christ.
That way. Oh, it smells nice. There you go, bulky package.
Pepsi's over here.
Okay. Pepsi Maximus. Oh, actually, they got a recycling machine in here.
Oh, yeah, my.
So we go.
Where's that bottle?
It's in your bag.
What is it? What's that?
Take it in your bag, dude. You might just lift it.
Huh? An empty bottle?
No, I don't think they have got recycling here.
No?
No, it doesn't look like that.
Three?
Oh, I have a lot of recycling to do. Go over there, and then I think we turn the, well, yeah, it's got here. There you go, to the left. And we got, they'll go checking away your bottles, remember now? There you go. Oh. Okay. But the sun's coming out.
See, if I lived in Amsterdam, this is where my go-to drink. This drink is very nice. This orange is high energy, keeps you going all day. Very nice.
Looking on the wall, look at his hands.
Oh, right. You like?
Ja.
Yeah.
Halt G.
Huh?
Halt G. I don't know, we just walk on, should we go indoors, should we sit on the outside? half, you never know. Although we're just going to be out on the river. It says we get a bus. Oh, okay. Just like that, but on the other side. Yeah, then like that on the other side.